quickly, I'm going to be teaching you how to add specific voices with sounds, the laughter sound, the surprise sound, the giggling sound. Okay, let me get right into what I'm talking about. So I deal with AI cartoon characters. Now sometimes after the character finish speaking, sometimes I want it to laugh in a stylish way, sometimes I want it to giggle like sometimes I want it to have any particular sound I would want it to. Now let me teach you how exactly you're going to get that sound. So head over to your 11 Labs AI site, log in. In my previous video I explained how to really navigate through the 11 Labs AI, but I didn't talk about this topic. So head over, sign in. Now you're going to click on that small dot over there, go over to the text to speech, because you want to create the script that your character is going to be saying. So go over to your ChatGPT and copy your script, paste it at the bar where you see the empty space bar there. If you don't know how to generate your voice, go and watch my video that I talked about the 11 Labs AI navigation. I also explained how to create voices there. So now here's the trick of adding the laughter, the giggling, the whatever sound it is that you would want to add. So you're going to see a space there, that place that is titled the 11 multilingual V2. Click on it, because that is how to select the mode at which your voice is going to sound. Sometimes the mode will actually determine how your voice sounds. If you use this particular 11 multilingual V2, it's not going to sound the way you want it. So you can see the different modes, they explained it there. So what you'll be clicking on is the 11V3. That 11V3, after clicking on it, is going to show you that place where they said add speaker. Now it has described how your text is going to be and how you will add the laughter wherever you want the AI character to laugh, or if you want it to add surprise, if you want it to give a particular sound, that is how you're going to do it. So after copying and pasting your script, that is whatever you want the character to say, then you add in brackets the name of the particular sounds that you want them to make. You put it, if it's laugh, put it. If it's the giggling sound, you put it. If it's the exclamatory sound, you put it. Anything at all that you'd want it to put. So that's how you can. Do not forget that to make your AI videos more interesting, all these little informations, all these little things, they actually matter. So do not just put your AI video from how you edited it in the AI site, you just upload it. No, add things like this, add beautifications, add something different, so that when people watch your videos, they are going to be really happy with it.
So making sure to add the places where I would want the character to laugh, etc. I'll make sure I do not make any mistakes, because it will affect my voice once it generates. So I head over to click on generate when I'm done and wait for it to generate. Do not forget, you have to be very careful with the things your prompt, because your units or your credits, they are going. So it has generated. Let's listen to them.
Hello, my wonderful friends. My name is Pinky. Today we're going on a color adventure. Are you ready? I can't hear you. Hello, my wonderful friends. My name is Pinky. Today we're going on a color adventure. Are you?
So I didn't like the way my voices, they were sounding. They sounded dull. So I'll go ahead to be more specific with how I want the voice to actually sound, because the character is a cheerful, lively one. So I'll go ahead to add to the voice prompt that let the voice be bright, playful, happy, and cheerful. That is how I want the voice to sound. So let's see what it's going to give after that. I'll go ahead to click on regenerate once I'm done.
Hello, my wonderful friends. My name is Pinky. Today we're going on a color adventure. Are you ready? I can't hear you. Let's go. Oh, wow. What's this? A mystery box. Should we open it together? Let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
So you see that this particular one and the first one, they sound different. This one is close to what I want, so I'll take it.
Also, go ahead to watch my previous videos on how I talked about how to make sure that your AI YouTube faceless channel does not get demonetized, the things to avoid, the specific things to do. I said it is. So bye. It's don't forget it's your girl Tess here, and please, if you've learned something real from this video, or even if you've not learned anything, please like and subscribe to my channel.